Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide your current experience on LinkedIn using the latest update, all from your PC. If you want to keep your current job private or simply control what others see on your profile, this step-by-step guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the home page, look up to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture with the word Me next to it. Click on the Me icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select View Profile. This will take you directly to your LinkedIn profile page, where you can see all your personal and professional details. Now, look towards the right side of your profile page. You'll find a section called Public Profile and URL. Next to this, there's a small pencil or edit icon. Click on this edit icon to access your public profile settings. Once you're in the public profile settings, you'll see various options to control what information is visible to others. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Current Experience. Here, LinkedIn gives you the option to show or hide your current job position from your public profile. To hide your current experience, simply toggle the switch to disable this feature. When you do this, your current job title and company will no longer be visible to people who view your public profile. This means recruiters, colleagues, or anyone searching for you on LinkedIn won't see your latest role unless you choose to share it. After you've made your changes, don't forget to save or confirm your settings. That's it. You've successfully hidden your current experience on LinkedIn using the new update. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more LinkedIn tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.